Hi, it's me, Steffi, from Steffi's Beads and Bob, and these are my bird cookie cutters. Now, I have done a video on this cute penguin, and he's in my playlist of ornaments. I did a couple of them. This is a Roadrunner, which is a lot of fun. I might leave him out. This is a dove, and I've done one with this dove. I don't know if I did an ornament. I think I just did an ornament with this dove, actually, recently. Another bird here. Just a kind of whatever. It could be a blue bird, whatever. Here's a bird house. I have a couple that are, like this is a, what, 7 Swans a Swimming from the, I think this might be from the 12 Days of Christmas as well. And this one, I believe, is two. Those are all, I think, from that set I have. This is another penguin, which is kind of fun. This is a cute owl. Oh, here's a flamingo. I have not done a flamingo, so I'll leave him out. As I've said in my other videos, I'm leaving out a few because these boxes, which is this one I'm packing, and those 3, and probably one more, are going to get packed away till I have time to deal with them. So they might be going up in the attic or somewhere where I really won't have any way to get to them for a while. So I'm making sure to leave out whatever I want to work with. Another flamingo. Another owl. I might keep this one out. That would be fun to do. So I'm keeping out a couple small bins of the ones that I might be wanting to do over the next year. And it doesn't mean that I won't be doing any of the other ones. But I just want to have some. I think that's supposed to be an owl. Very basic owl. I'm not exactly sure. This one is really cute. But again, when I stamp it out, this is what I see. So I don't know if I'd want to go to all that detail right now. I might keep them out just in case, because I'm trying to get more detailed with my ornaments. Now this one, oh, I was trying to sell it at when I had a booth years ago. I've had that one for a long time. This is a pheasant. It's not a person. It's a pheasant, I think. This is a fatter version of that other one. It's either a pot. I think this might be for Halloween, a pot. That one's going to go in the Halloween stuff. I haven't done that video yet. Another little owl, which I think I just showed you one like it. Here's another bird. I got this for 50 cents somewhere. I think it's supposed to be a dove. And the last one, I have done this as a cardinal, but I might do it as a blue jay. So I'll keep that one out. And that is all my birds, and this is how full this box is getting. The next one I'm going to do is, I think, Halloween. I'll do my Halloween box, which is up there. That'll be a longer video. This one was only, 3 minutes. So I'll do the Halloween, which will be a little bit longer video. So I'll be back soon, and I hope you're enjoying these ornament collection videos. I know it's insane to have this many, but it's just something I collect. People collect pens. They collect brooches. They collect thimbles. People collect all kinds of stuff, and this is one of the things I collect. I just love them. I don't know why, and I do want to come up with a way to display them seasonally, like maybe take 100 cookie cutters, and I think there's a wall in my hallway. I might have David put pegboard up in the hallway from our kitchen to the back door, and I may have him put a piece of pegboard up with little short pegs and maybe change them out seasonally. That's what I'm thinking of doing. I think that'd be fun. So we shall see. I might have to drill holes in the plastic ones to hang them, but it wouldn't hurt their use because it would just be a little hole, and I'd put a piece of the what's that stuff called, fish line through them. It's like if I had to drill a little hole there and put fish line through it to hang it. But we'll see. I might try to just hang the ones that are easy to hang too. But that's the end of the birds, and I will be back with Halloween. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.